many shops here, and most of them are food ingredients as I have observed so far. And once you walk a little bit more, you will notice that it's actually the biggest market in Charoenkung district called Bangrak Market. And once you walk a little bit more in a deeper alley, you will notice this shop that is called Bike Tour. What is so interesting about that? Why is it located in this deeper alley in the market? Let's go there and see what's there. Bike Tour offers you an opportunity to have the best sightseeing on the ride with a professional guide who can communicate in English and go along with you on the journey. Moreover, they have planned out the path for you to ride in Bangkok with options of bike to choose from, and you can even meet a small international community here too, as there are plenty of foreigners who are interested in here. So I heard that this bike tour is for bicycle rent and also cooking school. Can you tell me what is the idea of creating this one up?
So people can spend the whole day with us.
I see.
From morning till evenings.
Yes.
You can start a bike tour in the morning at 9 o'clock. Come back, you're hungry, cook some of your favorite dish.
Wow, that's so convenient. And what is the time for the shop to open every day?
From 9 o'clock in the morning till 9 in the evening.
9 in the evening, I see. And why do you think that this is the location that is right for people to come?
Several reasons. One, we are in the famous Bangrak market, also one of the oldest district markets in Bangkok. We are conveniently located off the main road, so we can also cycle behind the scenes.
Yes.
And we are close to the river Sathon Pier and the BTS SkyTrain.
Yes.
So customers can find us very easy.
So that means customers can go to buy ingredients from this market.
Yeah.
And just cook here.
Absolutely.
Well, I heard that this market opens since like dawn in the early morning.
3 o'clock in the morning.
3 o'clock in the morning. And what time that the students here have to go to buy?
For cooking?
Yes, for cooking here.
We start at 8:30.
8:30.
With a market tour.
Yes.
So the chef will go with you through the market.
Wow.
Pick the fresh ingredients.
I see.
And then we bring it upstairs to prep and then eat it downstairs. Dish after dish.
Okay, and what are destinations that we can go from here to travel around with a bike?
With the bicycle?
Yes.
Alright, Bangrak, this area, through Chinatown. Then the flower markets near the Wat Po and Wat Arun. Then we cross the river through the old capital called Thonburi. And from there we cycle back down and cross the ferry back into Bangrak.
And what is the cost for us to rent the bicycle in each size?
The cost for renting
Yes,
the bicycle. So we do bicycle rental, which starts at 50 baht per hour.
50 baht.
Or 300 baht for the full day. You can also take a guide with you, an expert, a Thai expert,
Yes.
that will stop at each place and explains you about the history of Bangkok.
Oh, so he will be riding bicycle with us along
Yeah, of
the
course.
way.
Yeah,
And does he speak English too?
he does.
Okay, that's
Or she
so
does.
great. Oh,
We have
so
both.
he and she.
Yeah.
So as I see that there are destinations here, is it related to our riding? Can you explain more?
Yeah, so basically we start from our office here and we'll cycle between the river and the main road that leads up to the palace. So we're behind the scenes. Most people that come to Thailand, they think there's nothing behind the big buildings, but that certainly is. So all the customs house, the first church, old post office, cathedrals, flower markets, vegetable markets,
Yes.
the temples, the Grand Palace, and then here of course the old capital before Bangkok was founded. And all of this we cover on the bicycle.
And what is the most highlight place in this whole destination?
For most people that would be the flower market and vegetable market.
Oh, what is the reason?
for them it's amazing, especially because it's a market.
Yeah.
Most Europeans or any destinations are not allowed to travel with vehicles through a crowded market, and for
Oh.
them doing it is amazing.
It's
Even I
amazing.
getting goosebumps just thinking about it. So yeah, that is one of the highlights for most people.
I see. And who actually draw all of this? Is it you?
No, my friend.
Oh, your friend.
Yeah, she's
Okay.
an artist.
Sounds so interesting. Can I get on it right now?
Go ahead, it's right there.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Okay. I'm off now. See you later.